guys, so today we're going to make this simple and easy Rocky Road Easter brownie. So this is just a simple brownie batter and I made it into an Easter theme by adding some marshmallows on top, some chopped peanuts, some Easter candies, and drizzle of chocolate ganache. So I hope you guys will give this a try. Stay until the end, watch the video. For now, let me show you how I made this. Let's get started. Okay, so this is about good. So you just want it to be like this. It's thick and it's no longer runny. Okay, so now we're going to transfer it in our pan. Okay, so this is now our Rocky Road brownie. So let's give this a try. This one here. Wow. The brownie is almost like a cake. It's so soft, it's so moist. And the toppings, it just adds a lot of crunch and texture. It's just so good. So I hope you guys will give this a try. And until next time, bye!